Guys, you want to know what's so funny? I promise I'm not this dumb. I don't know if it's because I've never used command strips or what, but I completely forgot that I'm sticking these on the wall and they have no pictures in them. So I noticed with that one, I was like, wait, I have to switch that picture out. And how am I going to do that if I'm already command stripping them to the wall? And I know they're removable, but these command strips are so good that they're like really hard on there. So I'm hoping that when I take them down to put actual pictures in there that they don't mess up the wall or make me buy new command strips. I don't know. But yeah, so hopefully I'll order photos for that today and then we can get that done. I just thought it was so funny because I don't really consider myself that dumb. I'm actually shooting I'm about to shoot a TikTok. I was steaming some stuff, but I'm about to film a TikTok/reel for Cider. If you guys haven't heard of Cider, they are a plus size. Well, I think they carry straight sizes too, but they're just a clothing brand. Their stuff is really, really nice. I love all of the stuff that they sent over. So I got this dress that I'm gonna put on. And then I also got these pants. I steamed these too, even though they look a little wrinkly, but these are really good quality. They're like thick and kind of like linen-y. I don't know what material this is, but it feels really nice and good quality. And then I'm probably gonna wear this with this bodysuit, but I'm not sure yet. They also sent over this skirt, which is so freaking cute, you guys. It's like studded and it has this slit right here. So pretty. So I'm gonna shoot with those. So I'm gonna make a TikTok of that stuff and then probably get back to cleaning. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys this blanket that I got from Target. They have certain stuff on sale at Target, so if you need like home stuff, I would say check it out because their blankets were all on sale. I love it. I wanted one of these for the end of my bed, so I ordered this one on Luna, get off, please, get off. I ordered this one on Target and I think it'll match so pretty with the pillows and this, so let's set it up. To be bigger, but they didn't have the king size, so we're working with what we have, but it's pretty. I want to get another big one to layer under it, maybe like a cream colored one, but yeah, really cute. Do you like it? I still need to get new nightstands. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But I need to get new nightstands. I still need to upholster that. It's just, I have too much to do, you guys. But nightstands are definitely on my list. I'll probably get those, I don't know, maybe next weekend. That's the thing, you guys, I just don't have time and I don't want, oops. And IKEA's not that close to me. It's probably like 30 minutes, but it's not around the corner. So I don't really have time except for on the weekends. And my weekends are always booked and busy. But anyways, I really have to get filming this TikTok and then I'll be back. Hey guys, sorry if there's a glare in my glasses, but we are gonna go to TJ Maxx, or not TJ Maxx. It's actually a Marshall's Home Goods, so they're like combined into one store. My best friend Myra's birthday is on Saturday and I'm gonna go to her house. Today's Friday actually, so it's tomorrow. I always say that I'm gonna get people baskets and she always laughs at me because she's like, you always have that intention, like you have the good intention to get somebody a basket and then you like something happens and I can't finish it, or like I don't find the right thing, so I end up just not making it a basket anymore and just putting it in a gift bag. Like for some reason I just never accomplished the task of making someone like a cute gift basket. So I'm gonna do that for her because I feel like she'll laugh and be like, wow, you actually finished the basket this time. So I want to go to the Marshall's Home Goods because I feel like there I can get a cute basket and some stuff to put inside. And then I might stop at Target after and Ulta. just to see if like there's any other cute little things that I can throw in there. But yeah, we're gonna go do that. I might even see if they have cute nightstands at Home Goods, because you guys already know I'm on the hunt. So we'll see if maybe we find some of those there. But most important task, secure the basket. Okay guys, these are the baskets they have, but I just don't know, only because she doesn't really like boho style. I was leaning towards this one, but I don't know, maybe this one. The rose gold one is cute too, but I don't know if she's still doing rose gold. I feel like that's like risky. Yeah, see, she's not really into like these ones over here. So I feel like maybe something on this side. Okay, I think we have a winner. I think I'm gonna go with this one, because I was gonna do this one, but I just feel like this one's cuter. I don't know, I'm in between, but I'm leaning towards this one. This one's cute, and then you can have it like as decor also once you're done. First thing that I found for her is this. It looks funny, but I have one of these and it's awesome. It's an eye mask, because we both like to sleep on our side, and if you wear eyelash extensions, you cannot sleep on your side. So that's what this is for. It's like a shell. I've been wanting one of these forever, but they're so expensive. It's like $100 on Amazon. And here, 60 bucks. Next day, and we're gonna put this basket together. So let me show you all the things that I got. So I got this from Target. This is some of the shredded paper that I'm gonna put inside the basket. I got this actually for my kitchen. So this is like a little Himalayan salt lamp light, and I just want this in the kitchen because I feel like I need a light there at night. If I forget something and I want to go get it, I feel like a night light is like a must. And this one's so cute, so I'm gonna put this somewhere, probably like either in the kitchen or the living room. Then I found this candle. It smells so good, you guys. I love citrusy, like fresh smells. It smells so good, and it has 2 wood wicks. So if you are at like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshall, something, and you see this candle, please smell it, because it smells incredible. So I got this for me. And then I think the last thing that I got for myself is this Verb. I think it's like a dry shampoo, but it's kind of more like a dry conditioner. So it's supposed to be to add like some moisture to your hair. And this is the birthday card for her. I thought it was so cute. Look, it says "You're old." Then I saw these Prosecco cocktail gummies that I think are so like appropriate for your birthday. So I got her these to throw in there. Oh, I showed you guys this in the store, I think, but I got this face mask. It says "Do Not Disturb," but I got this because we both wear eyelash extensions, and these masks, since it's like raised, it creates like a dome around your eyes, so that if you sleep like on your side or something, you don't mess up your eyelash extension. So I got her this one. I got her this like cocktail mix, again sticking to like birthday girl theme. I thought it was cute. It's a strawberry daiquiri, so you just have to add white rum, and then yeah, you have a whole drink ready for you. So I thought this was cute, and I love that it comes with like this little strainer when you're straining out the drink. Oh, so cute. It took everything in me not to get another one of these for myself, because I just think it's so pretty. I would love to have this just sitting like on a bar cart. Then I got her a candle. Again, I love these scents, so I'm hoping that she likes it too. Oh, this smells so good. I want to say it smells really, really similar to the Midnight Citrus one that I got. Oh, it smells so good. Fruity and fresh. I feel like you can't go wrong. Like, everybody likes fruity and fresh, right? At least I think so. Then I got her this little snake plant. I just thought it was cute to throw in there, like a little home decor item. So I got her this snake plant, really cute. You can put this anywhere. You can put this like in your restroom, on your nightstand, just anywhere. So I got her this. And then this is the basket that I ended up deciding to go with. I think it's so pretty, you guys. It's neutral. It doesn't really have any design. So I'm gonna start putting all this stuff in here. So we might just do like a little time lapse, because let's put on a podcast and then we will get to organizing this basket. Good
morning, millennials. Welcome back to the Morning Toast. Happy Friday. Wow, you did it. We did it.
Okay guys, so here's the basket so far, and I'm kind of upset. I feel like I wanted this stuff to like peek out of the top, and it's just such a deep basket that everything like sinks down to the bottom, especially because all of this stuff has weight to it. You can't even see the pink like fuzzy stuff. Yeah, we might have to redo. Please hold. So I stuffed everything in here. It didn't come out how I thought it was gonna be in my head, but it still looks cute. This is the outfit. So I just have this tank top with this jacket. Honestly, it's not even that cold outside, but I could not pick an outfit. So I just have these faux leather leggings that I got from Target. These boots are also from Target. And that's pretty much it. I didn't put a lot of necklaces on, but I did put my chunky gold earrings on.
Hi, baby. How do you feel?
One drink in.
We'll see how he is later. I couldn't shotgun, you guys. I literally think I cut my lip. Look. Not okay.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door.